Hi everyone, I'm back today with another review for you of a product that I got on Amazon. This product is a tiny little keyboard that you can use for lots of different things. You can hook it up to your smart TV, you can use it on a tablet, a notebook. So it's really small, as you can see. This is the Ponybro, and here it is. Of course, we have the little user manual. This will teach you how to use it. It's the mini wireless keyboard with a touchpad. This is really cute. You can put it in your pocket. So it's in this little wrap, and here it is. You can see it fits in the palm of my hand. It is not lit up or anything because I don't have it attached to anything, but it has a nice rainbow of colors when you turn it on. It comes with the cords that you need. Now, it doesn't come with the little box that goes in the wall, but you can just plug that in right here at the bottom, and you can use the USB cord to hitch it up. It's really cute. It's a little bigger than the buttons on your phone. If you're like me, sometimes you have a problem hitting the right key, but this is just like a regular keyboard. You can feel the buttons on it. They are raised. It's a very cute idea. So that is another product from Amazon, the Ponybro mini keyboard. Love it. It's too cute. Thanks for watching.